Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the OnlyFans website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are in, click on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on the Your Cards option. Here you will see all the payment methods linked to your account. To add a new card or update your existing one, click on Add a new card. Enter your new card details carefully. Make sure all the information is correct before you hit save. If you want to remove your old payment method, simply click on the Remove or Delete option next to the existing card. Keep in mind, OnlyFans requires at least one active payment method at all times. So, make sure your new card is saved before deleting the old one. And that's it. Now you know how to change your payment method on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.